Let me ask you an honest question. Have you ever written clean type hints in Python and Python just ruined your mood? Something like this. And Python goes, wait a sec, take this. And you're like, bro, I'll define manager right after this. So what do? We simply escape it like this. It works. But deep down, we all know, this was never a real fix. And Python 3.14 finally fixes this properly. The core problem was simple. Python used to evaluate annotations immediately. The moment a function or class was defined, Python executed the annotations as real code, which means names had to already exist, imports had to already be resolved, and any function call inside annotations ran instantly. And this becomes a disaster in real-world codebases. Let's talk about real projects for a second. Imagine a normal FastAPI backend with models like this. And the logic is very common. A user can have multiple orders, and an order belongs to a user. From a business point of view, this is perfectly valid. But in real projects, models often reference each other. And because Python used to evaluate annotations immediately, it sometimes tried to resolve types before everything was fully defined. This is what we call a forward reference. To deal with this, developers had to delay annotation evaluation manually. One common trick was using string annotations. Here, order is just text. So Python doesn't try to resolve the order class immediately. Another option was enabling this, which made Python store annotations as strings automatically. This prevented early evaluation, but it also created new problems. Frameworks like Pydantic had to parse these strings, resolve types manually, and handle a lot of edge cases. It worked, but it wasn't a clean solution. Python 3.14 flips the model. It says, I'll store annotations as expressions. I won't evaluate them until someone actually needs them. So the same FastAPI models now just work. No quotes, no future import, and no circular import crash. Python waits, and that waiting changes everything. Earlier, when Pydantic inspected annotations, it often got this. Now, thanks to PEP 649 and 749, it gets this, but only at the moment of evaluation. This means cleaner schema generation, more reliable validation, less internal hacks, and faster app startup. Very simply, PEP 649 gives us lazy evaluation, and PEP 749 makes sure tools see the original expression, not strings. Together, they fix forward references, circular imports, performance issues, and tooling inconsistencies. So yeah, you write the same code, but Python 3.14 handles annotations way better behind the scenes, and that's a solid win. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python goodness, and I'll see you in the next one.